Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I want to show you what I ordered here. This is a box of cookies. There are 12 cookies, well 11, I took one out. But there are 12 cookies in this box, all right? I ordered just 12 cookies. And I ordered them from Burt's Dessert. And I will link his channel up, and you can go in and see under his shop. You'll see that he sells these cookies. And what it was packed very, very, very nicely. In the pack, it has this little keychain that says milk and cookies. Cool, right? And also he has a thank you note in here. Uh, Thank you for choosing our cookies. Every order means so much to us, and we're grateful for your support. Enjoy every bite. So, I got it yesterday. Uh, and what I actually ordered from him was the toffee chocolate chip, and I ordered the this is the chocolate peanut butter chip cookies. So I only ordered 12 cookies. I ordered half a dozen of each. So he also has another thank you for supporting the Burt Dessert, and there we go. And it says enjoy right away or freeze for later, which is gonna have to get freeze because when I show you these cookies, man, here are the cookies. This one is the toffee. This one is the toffee chocolate chip cookie right here. Look at this. Look how big this thing. First of all, it take me a couple of days to eat one of these cookies. Only one. That take me a couple of days. And then I have I want to show you this one because I already started. Matter of fact, let me go get it because it's over here on my desk. I started munching on them yesterday. I started munching on this cookie yesterday. This is a munch. It's not even totally done because I can't have too much sugar. So I just started munching on it. Let me show you what they look like when you only have one of these cookies right here. There you go. That's what it looks like. This cookie is gigantic. Really, I was gonna make these myself, but I was like, I don't want to. This is for me. I don't want to make all those cookies. So I saw that Burt sold these, and I said, okay, I'll order some from him. So I ordered these from him. Just like I said, only a dozen altogether. And this is the size of the cookie. Can you believe that? It's huge, 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 huge. And I started munching on this one. This one started to get the munch on it. And this is the other one. And I haven't tried this one. I haven't tried the toffee one, but I'm going to do that right now. So guys, please support Burt. He's my guy. He's like my son, even though I never met him like in person. But he's like my son. He always supports my channel and everything we do that I was doing, especially on my Sunday dinners. He always did support me. Now I'm going to give this one a taste. It's really good. Good, Burt. It's good. Oh, I love that. The toffee in it. Oh my God, it's good. For me, milk and from not cookies, but milk and coffee probably will work for me. Delicious, Burt. Thank you so much for sending me these cookies. And I will support you. Because you're my son. And the son I never had. One of the sons I never had. Anyway, Burt and guys, thank you. And I wanted to just show you this. I'm gonna put a few of them in my cookie jar. I was thinking of putting oil in there, but he said they can be frozen. And it's way too much. So I'll put a few in and I'll put a few in the freezer. But I wanted to show you this big old box that you get of just 12 cookies from Burt Dessert. Go ahead and support him.